Alright guys, hello, welcome to our channel. We are already here at the first yard today. We only have 2 yards we're going to do. You have seen both of these yards before. And guys, I want to say we're going to try something different today, because we've been talking, been thinking, been seeing the comments, the music, we've talked about that a little bit. I have to move over here in the shade for just a second. Talked about that. Yeah, we want to try to have more variety when we do put music clips in. The volume, I already knew, because like when we put the volume and stuff in the clips, like when we pull it straight from, you know, iMovie, it was just, I don't know, it was just super loud, I guess. So I need to be, if I use those clips, and I know I need to turn the volume down on that, guys. So thank you guys for letting us know that. And a lot of people, I guess, were wanting to hear actual mowing sounds. And the only reason why we haven't been putting the mowing sounds in is, you know, like we've said before, I don't know if you've been following along, you may have heard this, but when we've been filming it, a lot of it in real time or on a time lapse. And if it's on a time lapse, it comes automatically with no sound on it. And then if we film it in real time, you know, to see the whole, you know,
it ends up being so
long.
You have to speed it up.
Yeah, so we'd either be able to take a small clip from that and just use it, and you wouldn't be able to see the whole thing, or if we speed it up, you know, the sound gets all kind of jumbled up. So my point of saying all that is, we're gonna try something different. We're gonna try to set you up, you know, kind of same as we have been doing, and film real-time clips, shorter clips. Like this is really gonna be a lot of extra work for us, because we're gonna have to like do an area, stop, come back, stop it, and you know, it's gonna be a lot more stop and go, because like the way we've been doing it, just to get the clips we have, you know, we get you good setups and then maybe move you around just a couple times, but for the most part it allows us to not have to move you around so much. But doing these type of clips will require a good bit more moving stuff around, and you know, it's like kind of a little bit, it's gonna be different getting in that mindset, because you know, like I don't know about you guys, but when I start working, like especially when I get in the mindset when I start weed eating and I know what I have to do, I'm ready to do it. I start and I do not want to stop until I'm finished, you know. And I know if you're not like that, that's totally fine. I know everybody's different. That's just my personality. So it's going to be, you know, a little bit for me to try to get used to this and try to, but we want to make you guys happy. You know, we're taking into consideration everything you guys are saying, and we want to make good content for you guys. And I do know that a lot of you guys are here to hear mowing sounds, because we're a mowing channel. That's what you would kind of expect. So, you know, we're just kind of new to all of this. So we're trying different things. So on this first yard, we're going to get this stuff unloaded here. And we're gonna try this. We're gonna see how this works. So, and too, guys, if you've seen our last video, well, not our last video, because our last one is about the office. I hope you watched that, guys. But our last mowing video, part 2, we flew the drone into the tree, guys. If you haven't watched that, go back and watch it. But yeah, we're gonna try to not fly the drone into the tree this time today. We're gonna try to, you know, maybe not go. Maybe do a little bit, go up higher, whatever, get a little bit of an aerial view, but maybe try to do some lower down flight or something, you know, something that won't require Harley to have to climb way up high again. There are a lot of trees around here, guys. We're not going to
fly around any trees.
Yeah, and there's a lot of trees here, guys.
Fly in this yard.
So many trees. All right, come on, you know the deal. Let's go mow. Okay, guys, yeah, you just see me weed eat that. My goal, because I was trying to, I'm thinking real life clips, okay? So I'm trying to think quick. So how much time would a real life, how much time would a person want to spend in real time watching me weed eat this ditch? And I'm thinking you probably want to see me do the whole thing. I'm going to try to do it as fast as I can. So I'm like, can I do it in a minute down, a minute back? I'm like, it's kind of realistic, but I was thinking I could do it, guys. Now it took me 5.5 minutes. But I was really trying to do good, and there's a lot of rocks and stuff like that. So, yeah. But, yeah. I don't know why. I was thinking I was like going to be some kind of super fast time. I was way off. But, okay, yeah, come on, guys. We got to go. We got to go finish. Let's go. Okay, guys, I won't be able to run this in full time, probably, I don't know, because this is a pretty good size area, but let's just see how long it takes in real time to eat this. Come on, let's go. Guys, can you see? Hold on. Can you see these leaves falling? The wind's blowing, which, I'm thankful for that because it was, when I tell you it was hot, it was hot. But look at these leaves falling. It's looking like it was sounded like it was trying to storm or whatever. But yeah. Look, guys, real time. I did that over there in 6 minutes, and it took me 5.5 to do that one little piece of ditch over there. Can y'all believe that? It's just the type of weed eating, though. This is, open, flat, and I was able to just go over there. There's a lot of rocks, in and out, so I was like, that's the deal or whatever. But yeah, it looks really good over here. We're already mowed, and he's almost done or whatever, and we're just gonna go ahead and wrap this weed eating up. And yeah, come on, guys, let's finish it up. Let's go mow. Okay guys, hey, wouldn't you know, after that last clip where I was talking to you guys, it started raining. But honestly, it was so hot and humid, and I didn't even mind, and I don't think Harley did either. He just kept on mowing. I got a little clip of him mowing, and I had to move my phone, you know, out of the rain, and put it under the tree, and I stopped it. But yeah, I just kept weed eating. He kept mowing. He's just finishing up this last piece of weed eating over here. But yeah, it's trying to clear up now. I don't know. Hopefully it'll stop enough so we can fly the drone. Or I'm not sure if it can fly in light rain. I really don't know. We'll have to check with Harley and see. But hopefully we can get you some drone footage. But if not, I hope you enjoyed what you've seen anyway. So, all right, come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, I asked Harley. He said it's going to be a no-go on the drone. Which it's like, now it's trying to stop. It's still thundering, but like, I don't know, guys. Like, you can see the sky is, it's blue out there, but a little thunder shower just went over us. It is trying to clear up. I don't know if you can see right there, but I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I don't think it's worth getting wet.
Well, we'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way with my phone. Well, as we pull out, I'll try to get, you know, which we got footage, you know, you've seen the yard, and hopefully, you know, you guys will enjoy some real sounds, real, you know, real time. Yeah, so all right, well, I guess we're pretty much done here at this yard, so let's go on to the next yard. Come on, let's ride. Alrighty, guys. Hello.
Here we are.
Yeah, we're at the second yard, which we're only doing these two today, and which you haven't seen it yet, but we actually took you with us on another video that we're going to be doing. Hopefully, we're going to pick this job up. We're going to do a yard cleanup. It's it's a very overgrown property. It hasn't been mowed all year, guys. And honestly, it could have been some of last year not even mowed. But it's gonna go up for sale. It's been empty for a while, so it just needs a full yard makeover, and we thought that'd be pretty cool. So we looked at that earlier today, and so hopefully there'll be a video of that coming pretty soon for y'all to check out. But yeah, we're gonna, the last yard we couldn't fly the drone because it was just too risky.
It started raining.
Yeah. And there is a lot of trees around that other yard. So if we flew it, we'd have probably had to fly it real low, which is still cool or whatever. Still could have got some really good footage of the actual yard, but hopefully we'll be able to do that next time we're there. But this yard is very open, so, and there's nothing, you know, I think we should be, it's looking good to go on the drone for this yard. So,
Hopefully.
yeah, I wished I knew how to fly it. I need to mess around. I need to learn how to fly it, guys, so I can fly it around Harley. I might even try to learn right here, right now. We'll see if I do, guys. Do you believe in me? Do you think I can do it? I'm under pressure now. I've done said it. No, but guys, then I'm going to try to mess around with the clips. And let me know, you know, because I feel, you know, I don't want anybody to be unhappy. So I'm like, on this video, I'm feeling like, oh, I shouldn't put any music at all. And I'm going to mess around. Look at that one page we talked about, which if you didn't watch our makeover of the office, then you didn't see that. But Harley found another, he accessed a lot more music for us to put in the video. So we should have a lot more variety of clips when we do put music in there. So I'd like to have a mix of both. Some with music, you know, in like a time-lapse kind of deal, and then some in real time, you know. Because I like the music, you know, I just, but I don't want you guys to get annoyed with anything. So yeah, all right, so let's get started. So come on, let's go mow. Okay, guys, real quick. You just saw me fly the drone, so actually I was able to do it for, you know, enough to get like a couple of good clips or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's very hard. You know, that's I feel like it's something that can definitely be learned. But you know, if you're a gamer or whatever, I feel like you probably be really good at that. Like I feel like a lot of video game people probably pick it up very easily. But you know, I haven't played any kind of video games or anything like that in a long time. And then even when I did, you know, I wasn't like, you know, didn't do it a lot. So, but yeah, that's, you know, just getting used to the, you know, the controls and everything. But like I said, yeah, it is something that can be learned, and I will practice with it, you know, so I can get better, because I feel like Harley, you know, does more mowing than, you know, I don't know, like it's kind of like half and half, but I feel like I have more opportunity sometimes to fly it than really he does. So, you know, if you kind of get what I mean or whatever. But yeah, I guess I got to start weed eating now. He's in the back, and then we're gonna try to fly over. It was kind of getting windy for a minute. It's kind of making me a little nervous, because when it went up between these two houses right here, and the wind kind of caught it, it was kind of like looking like it was trying to blow it a little bit. So I'm not going to fly it very high, but I do think we can get it in the backyard and fly it high enough to see the aerial footage from good, you know, high enough to to get a good look at it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this statement out. But yeah, I've been messing around with that for several minutes, which it's okay, because the grass was a little bit damp, so, and it's really sunny and hot now, so it's pretty dry. It's dry now. And I'm gonna go around here and go around the front, weed eat, and yeah, I'll see you back here in just a few minutes. Come on guys, let's go. Hey guys, real quick, this is very exciting. You know, we just finished up the yard, and you see me learn to fly the drone on this yard, and we were just finishing up, and our customer, he came outside and he was really talking us up, and he was saying that it might be cool, you know, sometimes if some of our customers got on, you know, the clip and shouted us out, and he was willing to do it. So guys, here he is.
Hey guys, I'm telling you what, y'all need to subscribe to their channel. They're awesome. I'm very picky about my yard, and they have exceeded my expectations. Wet or dry, it is just unbelievable the job that they do. And if you haven't subscribed to their channel, you need to. You need to call, get some quotes, let them take care of your lawn. You will not be let down. Nobody will touch my yard but these people.
That's so awesome.
That's so great.
That's awesome. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching our videos. He's one of our subscribers. He said he watches all of our videos, and you know, we love all of our customers so much, but you know, he's an awesome, fantastic customer, and we couldn't ask for better people, guys. We are so super blessed.
The A and B is they're the best.
Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Our customers and you guys too. But thank you guys so very much, and we appreciate y'all watching this video. Like you said, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel.
Thumbs up, guys.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Subscribe.
All right, guys. Well, come on. Let's get on out of here. Let's take this thing to the house. See ya. All right, guys. Hello. It looks a little bit different. We are at home, but guys, we already unhooked the trailer and everything, and we just left everything loaded up. We didn't unload it because tomorrow we're gonna mow the McDonald's again, and so we didn't want to have to load everything up and everything to just have to, or you know, unload it just to have to load it back up. So in the morning, all we have to do is back down there and hook up to it, and then we can go. So that'll be pretty convenient. But yeah, guys, it's been a great day. You seen us mow, and then you got to meet one of our customers today. That was super awesome. Yeah, he was super excited, and we were super excited, and that was awesome, guys. We're so glad that, you know, that, because we honestly, guys, we really didn't know, like, all of our customers are wonderful people, and we figured that they would be all okay with us doing the filming, but we didn't know, and we really probably wouldn't have asked for them to be in the actual videos, but
he came out and he was happy and he wanted to do it. And,
yeah, so we were like, yeah, do you want to get on the clip right now? And he was super supportive. He's like, yeah, let's do it. So we just broke it out and we did it, and that was awesome, guys. And I'm so thankful you got to see me learn to fly the drone a little bit, and I'll work on it, and I'll try to get better and better, guys. And you know, we're just gonna, you know, keep trying our best, and we're reading the comments. Harley was actually, we were trying to start this clip because he was answering comments as we were trying to film this. So yeah, we're gonna try to get the footage uploaded and, you know, get this video up for you guys tonight, and yeah, we'll do it all again tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys for coming along. Please, guys, give this video a thumbs up.
like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe if you're not. And guys, share it with everyone you know, because we're trying to get them subscribers up there. Guys, we are so close. We're so close to get this channel monetized, and we need you guys to be able to do it. I mean, I know we can do it with you guys, as great as y'all are. We are doing nothing. It's all you. So come on, let's do this. All right, so if you've been around, you know the deal. Until next time, see ya.